All right, everybody, thanks for watching. And this is the 2015 Ford Escape rear windshield wiper replacement. As you can see, I have Bosch Spectrum Direct Fit number R1121. That's the part number for this vehicle. And everybody gets thrown off. Again, I did another video on a Chevy. These things right here tricks people. They think they got to buy the whole arm, but what you do is you just slide your thumb under the windshield wiper blade and push down, and it comes off just like that. Discard the old one, and you open up the new one. It's like on this one, they had this little black clip on there. I had to go ahead and remove that because you have this guard, you don't necessarily need that piece. And then what you do is you find out where it snaps, and you'll hear that click. You might have to look up underneath there with your eyeball and get it snapped in there, but it's there just like that, and it's done. Please look in the description for part numbers. You can find these on Amazon, get you a good deal on them. But yeah, other than that, like and subscribe to the channel, and come back and see us. Thank you.